Mom, pick one, Trav.
Pick one, Trav.
What?
Which one do you want to open? Come on, choose.
I'm scared to.
Travis, which one do you want to open? This or this? Which one?
This.
This one? Okay, open it. Here.
Is that even yes?
Yeah.
Yay!
Should he sit down?
Yeah, I think it should sit down. Sit down, Travis.
Or should he go on the table?
Yeah, just go on the
Oh,
table.
yeah. That's a good idea. Here.
Okay, open. Wow! I'm just gonna fall.
Ooh.
You like that, Travis? Wow, nice.
Wow. Cool.
Who's that from? From Santa? Is it from Santa?
Mine.
Is that from Santa?
This is Santa. This is mine.
Oh, careful,
Wait,
careful.
you're not done. You have all those presents to open. You have more.
It's all yours, Trav.
Here, open this one. This one's for me. From Nina.
Oh, from Ninang. From Ninang, Trav.
Be careful.
Okay, I'll open on you.
This is for me. Where's my hug and kiss first? Thank you. Okay, number 1.
What you got? What you got?
Take-
Come on, get into it.
Get it. Get it. You could do it. John, where's your present?
Be careful, okay?
You could do it. Go ahead. Come on. Go.
Can't see his face.
You can tie his hair up. You can see his face.
Yeah, I see.
Be here all
No,
night.
maybe just put a bonnet on kay Travis.
I'm gonna be here all night.
Come on, Trav, get into it.
Okay. You want me to help you? Yeah.
Yay!
Woo! Woo! Okay.
Open it, open it.
Okay.
What's that?
Hello.
Blue? Color blue? What's color blue? Open it!
You saw the reaction.
You don't need that?
You should have went. No, wait. Come on.
Wow, that's so
Yay.
nice, Travis.
Nice.
Look.
Wow.
New jacket.
Yeah, that really looks nice.
Okay.
That's cool.
You went back to the first gift. Wait, you don't like it?
It's nice, Travis.
It's nice, Trav.
Open.
Oh, you like it? No. What's this?
From Ninang, see?
Oh, it's a bat
It's
set.
nice.
That is a cool bat set.
I forgot to take the prize.
That's cool.
Yeah, you have more. Open more.
Oh, open your gifts.
Go. Open everything.
Well, you're welcome.
Yes.
Mommy.
Oh no, not that one. Ben mo nga. Not, baby. Oh no! Oh my. Travis, sorry. Ben mo nga to dun.
What's this?
That's for Tiff. And ito kay John.
Okay, open. Oh yeah, open up Tito Johnny's gift.
Hey, he's not gonna say anything about mine. I get him any toys.
You don't like it?
so nice, Trav.
He said no.
That's a nice school.
Yeah, that's nice.
Alright, next one. Here.
Next. Thank you.
Fine, I'll return your gift. You don't like it?
So bad.
He's like, oh. He won't even open the box. Like, oh.
What's this?
What is that?
You see it?
You didn't even open it all the way.
What's that, Trav?
Wow.
Bless you. What's that? Show it, Travis. What's
Show
that?
it. What's that?
What time is it?
Come on, let's go.
Right here. Wow. Show mommy and daddy.
Yeah, show it. Wow, nice.
You don't even know what that is.
Open another one.
It's the colors.
Open another one.
Another one.
Okay, the next one is from me.
Wow, it's big.
I don't know if he knows what it is.
What is it? Oh, what is it? Oh,
It's a scooter.
Beck, could you take a video? I'll just put a bonnet on him.
What's that, Trav?
He doesn't know what it is.
No, he knows.
Oh, does he?
Yeah. I can actually write that now.
Yeah. Wow.
Mm.
You need help?
What are you gonna say?
You're welcome. Okay.
Wow.
We'll play with it later.
Okay, open more.
Okay. Can we take a
So
picture?
we can see your face. No, put your bonnet on, Travis. I can see your face. I know, we're opening gifts na. Sige. Okay. Just fix it. Kita niyo yung mukha niya? Hindi? Yeah, you can see.
Okay, next gift.
Alright, next gift.
You feel good.
What's that, Trav? Huh? Let me see. What's that?
Show it, Travis. Show it. Show it. Wow, nice.
You like that? Okay. And that? Okay.
This one or what's next?
Do you want that?
This one or that one?
Big one. Oh. Big
You
one.
want that one? Okay. This one's for Nina too.
Yay!
Yay!
Wow, big one.
Wow.
Hopefully you'll know what this is.
I'm gonna play with it.
What is it?
It might annoy the hell out of me at one point. At a certain point.
Oh, that's
Oh, that's cool.
That's cool.
Do you know what it is?
Whoa.
That's gonna be
You know,
cool.
you know how you play that?
Yes.
Oh,
Show it, Trav.
that's cool. Yay!
Show it, Travis. What did you get?
This.
Oh.
Wow.
There you
Wow.
go.
That's cool.
And this.
Okay, you have another one.
You have a candy, Travis. See?
And you.
I mean, I do.
Wow, candy. Big.
Come on, rip it up. There you go.
No candy.
Isn't that candy? Isn't that candy? What is it? What's that? What's that?
This.
It's heavy.
Thank you. Wow. Oh, nice. I love that. I'll have to play with that myself.
Knows how to open stuff.
Wow. Thank you. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. Yay!
What's that, Trav? Show it. Show it.
Thank you. What is it?
So you open it.
Now
First
you
you
have
did.
to take pictures with your toys.
Yay!
Oh, yeah.
Here, sit here.
We're gonna surround him with toys. That's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, that would be cool.
That's gonna be cool.
Wait, you take pictures with your toys.
Okay. You hold one, you hold one. Right there. Okay, hold it like that, alright?
Hold this.
Let that be in the front.
There
Where?
you go.
Where?
That's cool. Yay! Travis!
Smile.
Surround him.
Oh,
Surround
yeah.
him on the other side. Stack
Travis,
the ones on the
look
top.
at me.
Look at the camera, Travis.
There. Perfect. Trav, happy?
Nice.
Yay!
That's a cool ass picture.
Wait,
One
wait.
more, one more.
That's a
One more,
cool ass
one more.
picture.
One more picture, Travis.
Trav.
Travis.
No, you hold it. Like you did. First time. Okay, put it there. Okay. Hold the phone.
Yeah.
Come on. There's one more. Hold that, okay? Alright, there you go.
You ready?
There you
Smile.
Smile, Trav.
Travis!
Drop 1,
Yay.
2, 3. Yay.
Toys.
I don't have a choice.
Uy.
Toys. Open, please. Open.
Okay?
Please. Open.
This might have been a toy, Travis.
Let him open it,
Where's your
dude.
toy? I mean, where's your gift? You don't want to give it?
Oh, I forgot
You don't want to
about
get rejection?
that. Bailey totally just ate food.
Oh, shoot.
On the table?
She just jumped on the chair and definitely just ate.
This.
Oh, she got something.
She probably took Hyatt.
She has a huge. Is that a sausage?
Is it sausage?
Or is that a bone?
The sausage is cool, but
She has a sausage.
yeah, sausage.
Which one do you want to play with?
Yeah, I think
It was
it's
sausage.
Yeah.
Where's Johnny's? Oh, that's heavy, Trav.
She carried him.